going on, everybody? Welcome to another vlog. Today's adventure, we're going to Rice, a lantern festival. We've gone to another lantern festival before. It's called Lights. I'm gonna link it below, and we're gonna meet up with the homie Jesse. I don't know if you guys remember him. He was with me in the episode Chasing Drones. If you guys have not subscribed, go ahead and consider subscribing so you can get alerted on the next episodes. I'll see you guys. Looks like there's not that many people here. We just paid. We got our bags of goodies here. There's some, I don't know what's in it. We gotta check it out later. Anyway, we just found the homie Jesse and his family. So we found a spot. This is his family right here. Jesse and his family, everybody. Sister Wolf, Brother Wolf, Mama Wolf. It's kind of dusty too, so it's like it's a weird thing. Look at this. It's weird. So anyway, look at all that dust from the cars coming in. So I gotta protect my lens too, because it's really nasty. So anyway, people are barely coming in. There's not that many people here. So we'll see what this event has to offer. They got a little bouncy house here, so of course Sister Wolf want to go in there. Always want to like get into bounce houses. So let's let them get some energy out, and I'm gonna go get something to eat. Just having some amazing lights right now. Check this out. This is awesome. Look at the sky. Look at that. The peach color. That is beautiful. The desert sunsets. Alright, right now they just, I don't know if you guys could see me, turned off the lights. They got all the balloons, everyone's moving forward.
We want everybody to see this and light it up, okay? Let's just have a little. Oh, look at the clouds, guys. Our loved ones are here. They're with us. I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna let Dee sing the song, and she's gonna let you know when we're getting ready to release these balloons and light up the sky for our loved ones.
Alright, it's almost time to light up the skies with these balloons. We're waiting for the countdown to let them go. Alright, so that was okay, so that was the end of that. It was a little different than we expected. Expected some lantern, a little disappointing. Not that many people showed up either. But the cost went for a good cause, I guess, if that makes sense. And then Mama Wolf will explain what it's for.
So it was put on by an organization called Baby So Special, and I guess it was for a little baby named Caleb that had a heart defect. So it was in remembrance of him, and the nonprofit organization helps raise money for children with like disabilities. So, you know, our tickets tonight and food and things that we bought helped go towards that organization. So it was for a good cause.
But next one I wanted more lanterns. So, but anyway, it was a good cause. So make sure you guys subscribe and press the thumbs up button. And if you do subscribe, thank you, and for spending your time watching the videos. Again, I'll see you guys on the next one.